Hey, hello everyone. It's been a while. It's been nearly 2 weeks. I'm like super busy right now. With work and with assignments. As you know, school end of semester is in about 2 weeks, so I have lots of things to finish. I am late on certain stuff and having like lots of anyway, not going to complain here. I'm just super happy because tomorrow it's my birthday. So yeah, 7th of April. Just keep that in mind and comment happy birthday down below if you love me. And I got like really nice sweet things. And I got cookies as well. I got flowers. I got lots of things. Anyway, I guess I was just super excited because I'm being super spoiled for a couple of days. I got gifts here and there, and one of this is not for my birthday, but I was very happy to get this today. Price today for tomorrow, and yay! So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you, and I'm going to tell you exactly what that is. So if you're part of Georgian, there's a place. Well, we have like three main pillars, which is for social and innovation, and we have Henry Burning Center, which is if you want to build up a business. Okay, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Social research and innovation is everything, as you know, computer research innovation. If you want to do, I don't know, like some research on I don't know, a disease, or you discovered something or you want to put something up. Changemakers is when you want to make an impact in the community, and Henry Burning Center is basically if you want to build up a business. And if you're a student, you get all this support for free. They are actually launching a kind of workshop or seminar where there's like lots of speakers all around the world and students who are going to come as well, and people who signed up were given this, and I'm gonna unbox it with you to see what's in there, and I'm like so excited. Like, to be honest, I love all of them, but I've been mostly in touch with Changemakers and Henry Burnick, and they're just amazing people, just amazing people. I don't want to ruin the pretty box, so I'm trying to unbox it without causing too much damage to the beautiful packaging. Okay, so let's see here what's inside. Okay. Oh, sweet. Okay. What is it? Oh, we have like this for flowers. And oh, as an FYI, I'm pretty sure, like I'm like 60%, 70% sure that this, like everything is from a local business in Canada, and I'm pretty sure it was by Henry Burnick because they help locals. And yes, they're going to help you as well if you need to do your business. You don't have to be a student, but if you're a student, you get that for free because it's included in your tuition, and they make just amazing. Like, you can have nothing, you're just a student, and in the end, you're like an amazing. You can just build up your business. So I'm definitely going to research that to see where in Barrie, and it's going to be summer soon, so I was like super excited about doing some gardening. Chocolate! What's better than chocolate? And you see like RISE, and it stands for Research Scholarship Entrepreneurship Series. That's so amazing. And here we have a mug. That's so cute. That's so cute. I like it. And that's really cute because we have coffee. Yay! We have coffee. Oh, that's awesome. I'm definitely going to have some of that. I'm not a coffee drinker, but when it comes to like local businesses, and I'm not against drinking some coffee once in a while, because coffee has the opposite effect on me. It actually makes me want to sleep. Mask, and it comes with filters. Yay! And this, I really needed one because this one here, like it's leaking, so I definitely needed that. and I got one for free. And it's like GCSA, which is Georgian College Student Association. Definitely keeping that one. And it's like way lighter than the one I had. Yeah. So this one, I have some cool GCSA swag. I love pens. I love pens so much. And I think this is a touchscreen thing. I don't know where I put my phone. I'm literally the only person that can lose her phone. I literally lost my phone. Oh, here it is. So let's see if it's a touchpad. I'm pretty sure it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Anyway. Stress ball. I am a fan of that. I guess this is my favorite one because I love everything which is personal personal development and consciousness. And I'm so stressed these days, so squish squish. Definitely going on my office table. I love that. I guess this one is my favorite of all, and I love the little logo, and I just love like the color of it. And it comes with like instructions and like a quick guide and just a couple of swags, which is pretty neat. Oh, what's that? I didn't see that one. Oh, this is what the guide is for. You know what? I'm gonna build something pretty cool with that. Oh, I think I know exactly what that is. I saw that in the workshop where they would do like cool stuff. So I think this robot is going like to like walk, and you can do like paintings with that. I'll find out because there's a little kit here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is what I think it is, but I'll try it out. It can only be fun, right? Definitely going to try that out. And that's it. I was so happy I was able to unbox that with y'all. Squish, squish. Okay, yeah, it's not a particular like video about like stuff that I want to, because I want to dive like really in depth on other subject with you, and this one was just an unboxing, no stress, and just like so fun and so exciting. But I'm definitely going to come back. I know you have question about eco-op and ico-op, so I'm going to touch on that. I was going to make one on grocery, but I think this on free things in Canada, and where you can find your products, which grocery shopping you can go, which one, or like the cheapest one. But I think I'm going to touch on that later on. Yeah, I just wanted like to do a stress-free and still post something and still share with you. That was like a really great pleasure. I'm just like I'm just like a little anyway. So good luck if you're having an exam at the moment, which I think you are. Other than that, people who are coming to Canada, I hope I can see you soon, or otherwise I'll catch you. Otherwise, like I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.